How to see your former username on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram on your mobile. As you open Instagram on your mobile, go down to the profile option that is located down below. As you go on the profile option, go on these three lines that are located up above. As you go on these three lines, then after that go to the activity option which is your activity option. Click on that. As you click on your activity option, then down below you can see your interaction and also account history. As you click on account history, you can change or see the name you have changed, the phone number you have changed, or any other thing that you have changed. So this is how you can see your former user's name on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, please make sure to hit the like button. Thanks and have a nice day.